Q8407. A rectangular-shaped fuel tank measures 37:1 divided by 2 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 8:1 divided by 4 inches in depth. How many cubic inches are within the tank? A. 59.75. B. 433.125. C. 4,331.25. The correct answer is C. To find the cubic inches of the fuel tank, multiply the length, width, and depth of the tank. Volume equals length multiplied by width multiplied by depth. Volume equals 37:1 divided by 2 inches multiplied by 14 inches multiplied by 8:1 divided by 4 inches. Volume equals 37.5 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 8.25. Volume equals 4,331.25 cubic inches. 8408. A 6-cylinder engine with a bore of 3.5 inches, a cylinder height of 7 inches, and a stroke of 4.5 inches will have a total piston displacement of A. 256.88 cubic inches. B. 259.77 cubic inches. C. 43.3 cubic inches. The correct answer is B. Substituting the given values, we get displacement equals 3.1416 divided by 4, multiplied by 3.5 inches, to the power of 2 multiplied by 4.5 inches multiplied by 6 cylinders. Displacement equals 258.98 cubic inches, approximately. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, which is 259.77 cubic inches. 8409. Select the fraction which is equal to 0.0250. A. 1 divided by 4. B. 1 divided by 40. C. 1 divided by 400. The correct answer is B. To convert 0.0250 to a fraction, we need to express it in terms of a numerator and denominator having no common factors. First, we can remove the decimal point by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 10,000, which gives 0.0250 equals 25 divided by 1,000. Next, we can simplify this fraction by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, which is 25. This gives 25 divided by 1,000 equals 1 divided by 40. 8410. 21,875 is equal to A. 83 divided by 64. B. 19 divided by 16. C. 39 divided by 32. The correct answer is C. To convert 1.21875 into a fraction, we can write it as 1 plus 0.21875. Then we can convert the fraction part into a fraction with a power of 2 in the denominator by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 32, which is 2 to the power of 0.21875 by 32 divided by 32 equals 7 divided by 32, so 1.21875 can be written as 1 plus 7 divided by 32 equals 32 divided by 32 plus 7 divided by 32 equals 39 divided by 32. 8411. If the volume of a cylinder with the piston at bottom center is 84 cubic inches and the piston displacement is 70 cubic inches, then the compression ratio is A. 7:1, B. 1.2.1, C. 6:1. The correct answer is C. The volume of a cylinder with the piston at the top of its stroke is found by subtracting the piston displacement of the cylinder from the volume of the cylinder with the piston at the bottom of its stroke. Volume at top equals volume at bottom. Displacement equals 84 to 70 equals 14 cubic inches.